Hi everyone and welcome to Bumby. Today is day 2 of the Flylady Cleaning and Declutter Challenge with Sofia from My Great Challenge. So make sure you check out our channel below. This is really a continuation from yesterday, which was day 1. So I did have some extra time to work on the things that I wanted to work. So I went ahead. If you watch video 1, and if not, I'll link it up here for you to watch. I went ahead and I emptied the hope chest, and I went ahead and I emptied the rattan chest as well. And oh my God, one chest had 2 red throw blankets, which are my Christmas one, and the other rattan chest had these old carpets that were supposed to be thrown away. So I got those 2 emptied out, and I can store more stuff there, and then the hope chest. So I'm really excited. So since we're still in zone 1, because I really want to get the stuff that I really wanted to do in here finished, let me show you what I've done so far. Okay, so see, this is the first rattan chest that I have. So now I have 2 of them empty. And what I plan to do is, here from my coat closet that I've kind of turned into a pantry closet for me, I have these baskets down here that are actually just not working for the past couple of months. I really can't get to the linen that I need for my table. I have all this stuff here in front. So everything that's linen I want to remove and put in this rattan chest. So over here, I've actually doubled my storage so far by getting these at the Dollar Tree and making that step. See how I did it on this shelf? And then I did it on this other shelf here as well. And then here's where I have all my silverware. So what I wanted to do, here's a shelf that I bought that I want to paint in white. What I want to do is I want to go up the wall here with more shelving. And that'll give me more storage over here for this closet. Okay? Over here what I did is I stored the tripods, the different ones that I have for filming. So that is great because here with the pee pads, they'll go fine. Now I have a place and I know exactly where to go when I need a tripod. So that worked good for me. And then over here is the chest, the hope chest. And I was able to empty it out. And I already cleaned it as well. So all this home decor here, I'm going to organize in here. So I found in the garage several of these baskets, and I thought it would be a good idea to put the baskets inside and kind of organize the home decor. Okay, so let's get started on that, and let's try to put all the home decor in here. So see, so far, this has been great. So now I'm going to go to the closet and bring more home decor that I want to store in here. That felt good. See? Now I know I don't have home decor all over the place. So if I find more pieces in that closet, then I'll bring them here, and then I know I can store them here. Okay, now let's go empty all that linen from that closet. These are the 2 bins that I have full of linen. So I think I'm going to sort them out here on the couch. And then that way I can sort them out by tablecloths, placemats, and so forth. Organized it. I do really want to put these individually in plastic. So I'm going to have to go to the Dollar Tree and buy those big plastics. Just want to store them and put them away. And then when I get the plastic, I'll put them in plastics. Okay. Oh wow, that gave me so much more room. See that bottom shelf there? Right over here. I can put everything that's candles down here. So yeah, okay. So all of this, well, that rooster's going to go in the home decor hope chest. But all of this here, I can just slide it in down there. Okay? But before I do that, I'm going to sweep in here. Because we are going to sweep and mop here, the living room, dining room area. And then I also want to put everything that's on this table, except like the centerpiece and the love sign and the candle holders. And everything else I'm just going to put away because it's not functional. Daddy and I, we need to sit here and eat dinner. So see, that's looking much better. I still have a lot of work to do here. Like I said, get some shelving up here to be able to organize it better. This I was just testing it, not even up on the wall. So yeah, and these are just stuff that I had in the garage, like these 2-tier trays and stuff that I was able to just nail down here to the wall. Yeah, but that's turning out pretty good. I'm gonna put these coasters away. Okay, so I'm going to take this back to my dad's room, and then I'm going to vacuum the room, and I'm going to mop.